Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the animal world. Today, I will tell you a story and you will learn about many domestic animals from that story. Once upon a time, there was a very cute little girl, Mehak. One day, she told her mother, "Mama, I want to ride a horse." "Wow, Mehak, it's a very good idea. But if you want to ride a horse, then you have to become tall." "Oh, is it so? How to become tall, Mama?" "If you will drink milk daily, then you will become tall." "Really, Mama? Where does milk come from?" "Mehak, animals like buffalo, goat and cow give us milk." And from that day, Mehak started drinking lots of milk and gradually she became tall. One day, while riding a horse, Mehak went to a land far, far away. There, she started feeling cold and then there came a sheep to help her. "Oh dear sheep, how can you help me?" So the sheep told Mehak to take wool from her and make a sweater. So Mehak took all the wool and made so many sweaters. She felt very warm and comfortable. Mehak felt very happy to see so many sweaters. "Wow, so many sweaters! But how will I carry them home? I need someone to carry this load." Then there came two animals, a donkey and camel. And these animals carried the load for Mehak. "Oh, I am very happy that a donkey and camel are helping me to carry my load. Wow, now happily we all will go home." "Mehak, I am very happy to see you, but you have brought so many things with you, and already we have many other things at our home. Now what to do?" "Mama, will all these things be stolen by thieves from our home?" "Yes, my dear. Thieves might come to our house and they can take all the things along with your sweaters." "Mehak, now we need a dog who will guard our house." So, from that day, a dog guarded their house from thieves and they both were very happy. So Mehak, I think now you know that all the animals like dog, goat, cow, camel, sheep, horse are domestic animals because they are useful for us in one or the other way. And Mehak, one more thing I want to tell you, that domestic animals are also called farm animals because some of them cannot be kept in our homes, so they live in a farm. Okay, Mama, now I know that what are domestic animals and why they are called farm animals. Mama, I would like to visit a farm one day. I really want to see these animals.